Like in evaluating logarithmic function, meron ngayon tayong equation. So, ibig sabihin, kinukuha nating value is the missing term. Now, let's try. There are 3 steps in solving such logarithmic equation. Given letter G. E. Exponentiate. Exponential form or whatever terms you have, and then simplify. So we have gesi. Gesi lang. Gesi. Sige. Sige. Yun lang yan. Simple as that. Always remember the process gesi. Sunod, compute na natin given. Okay na. Exponentiate. Always remember to have the base. Ano yung base? Yun, 2. And then, ano yung exponent? Logarithm is exponent. So, logarithm equals exponent. Ang sagot ay ito. X minus 3 equals, anong sagot nung nagkaroon ng exponent na ganito? 16. And that's how you got the second step, the E. Exponentiation. Tapos, simplify. There are a couple ways na pag-solve ng logarithmic equation. Whereas, hindi ko masasabing isa lang yung process ng pag-solve. Kasi pwedeng ang x, ang missing term natin is yung base. Pwedeng ang sagot pwedeng yung answer, which is ito, ang nawawala. Pwedeng nagkaroon tayo ng log. Gagamitan mo pa ng mga laws of logarithm to solve. Pero, all in all, we use the 3-step method in solving logarithmic equation. Whereas, we use gesi. Gesi ba? So, sunod, simplify. Paano natin simplify yan? Meron tayong action D yan. Pwedeng gawin. Ito. Always remember, there's this term in logarithm, saming bases. Whereas, pinapagparehas natin yung bases nila. So, meaning, pag na-extract na natin yung base dito sa mismong sagot, ano ngayon yung exponent niya? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 2, 4, 8, 16. So, ilang to yan? 4. Now, simplify. Again, simplify. Now we have the same basis in both sides of the equation. So, sunod na natin. Pwede na natin i-take yung operation natin, yung equation natin, dun lang sa mismong exponent ng basis. So, ganito magiging next process natin. X minus 3 equals 4. Gets ba? So, X Yan. And then, we got the answer 4 plus 3 x equals 7. Gets pa, gets pa? And now, try this on yourselves.